Chapter 2 Families. Lesson 5 Fanny and Felix Mendelssohn.
Key words: close, genius, sibling, composer, talented, play.
Fanny and Felix Mendelssohn. Are you close with your sister or brother? Fanny and Felix Mendelssohn were German musical geniuses. They were also very close siblings. Fanny and Felix dreamed of becoming composers. However, their father only wanted Felix to study music. Felix was sad because he knew Fanny was talented. He told her, "Keep writing songs." They often played their songs together. In 1842, Felix met Queen Victoria from the United Kingdom. She told him that she loved his song, Italian. He said, "Actually, I didn't write it. Fanny did." Finally, Fanny's dream came true. She wrote over 400 songs. Together, Fanny and Felix became great composers.
Lesson 6 Amazing Animal Families. Key words: swan, carry, raise, cub, seahorse, pouch. Amazing animal families. Animals have different types of families like we do. In swan families, both parents care for their babies. Swan babies can't fly for a few months, so their parents sometimes carry them on their backs. In cheetah families, the mothers raise their cubs alone. Cheetah cubs' eyes don't open for almost 2 weeks, so their mothers help them a lot. Later, they also teach them to hunt. In seahorse families, the fathers take care of the eggs. They keep them in special pouches. The eggs become healthy babies thanks to them. These animal families are different, but all the parents love their babies.
Lesson 7 Echo the Mother Elephant.
Key words: leader, front, weak, hurt, move, join.
Echo the Mother Elephant. In Kenya, there was a special elephant named Echo. She was the leader of her elephant group. In 1990, Echo had a baby named Eli. His front legs were weak. He couldn't stand up. If a baby is hurt, elephants usually leave it behind. Soon, it was time to move away and find food. But Echo didn't leave Eli. Echo tried to help Eli stand, but he couldn't do it. After 3 days, Eli stood up slowly. Soon, he could walk by himself. Before long, Echo and Eli joined the other elephants again. Thanks to Echo, Eli has a healthy, happy life.
Lesson 8. Bobbie the Wonder Dog. Key words: gas station, chase, return, appear, tired, amazed. Bobbie the Wonder Dog. Bobbie the dog loved his human family very much. He always wanted to be with them. In 1923, Bobbie and his family went on a trip to Indiana. At a gas station, some other dogs chased Bobbie away. Bobbie's family looked everywhere, but they couldn't find him. They returned sadly to their home in Oregon. 6 months later, they were surprised. Bobbie appeared in their town. His feet were worn and tired. Later, many people said they saw Bobbie in other cities. He walked over 4,500 kilometers for 6 months to get home. Everyone was amazed. They started calling him Bobbie the Wonder Dog.